This is TommyGiles and my friend Megan with Flawed Designs, and we are going to be making 4x4 garden planting boxes and a standing garden box, and we're going to go bless a family. They don't know we're going to be doing it, and so we're going to build it, put it together, and we're going to knock on their door and put it all and build them a garden right then and there. So get excited. Surprise person, and she's got some rosemary, and we're going to get some flowers to put in the box, 4x4. So we are excited to be going to take our 4x4 garden that we're going to be blessing our friend with. We'll tell you who it is as soon as we get there, because we're going to do a reveal. And so once she gets it, she's a single mom. Her son has got a lot of different allergies where he's not able to eat a bunch of food, different foods, and so I thought this would be a good opportunity to bless him with fresh vegetables, be able to garden together. And the good part is that we had all the money donated and the supplies to be able to make this possible. So we had people during the biggest time of global crisis, so to speak, for the coronavirus, and yet they're still giving, and they gave because they want to be a blessing to others, and we want to be a blessing by building and putting together and serving others. So we're excited. Look, we brought y'all a gift. We had some people donate some money, and we made you guys a garden.
Really?
A portable garden.
Portable garden.
We made you a garden. We made you a portable. All right, Seda, so what does all this mean to you?
It just means that when God gives somebody a vision and they take their vision and bless somebody knowing that we were in need of a garden, it just makes me feel blessed that we don't have to worry about where the next meal is coming from or where the next anything's coming from, because God put a vision on your heart, and your first thought was to bless me. So I'm gonna pay it forward.
Okay.
And I would like to nominate April and Tomas because they do so much for Woga and Woga. April, because they're at home mom, some amazing baby. And I just think this garden would help her not have to worry about so much about grocery when they can garden and things right from their own backyard.
Yep.
And it God put it on my mom's heart to donate $40 to get stuff for their garden. So here you go, and my nomination is April and Tomas.
All right.
You guys.
Hey Facebook family, this is Tommy Giles and my son Avery. We're out here in our garden that we've been working on for the 2020 garden season. I want to invite each and every one of you to volunteer and be a part of what we're doing in terms of helping others build and cultivate gardens at their home. Looking to build gardens for people here in the community for free. If it'll help you create a better sustainable way of getting food for not only the spring but the summer and then into the fall, and looking for volunteers that want to help. So I'll leave some information in the link below, but let me know if you want to help. Donate, give some resources, give us some wood, donate some plants, whatever you want to do. Look forward to hearing from you, and we'll see you at the garden.